groot, John.
Sien, dink aan ons kantlyn toe geskop het ook.
Andre Pretorius.
Kom ek sê vir jou hoekom ek dink aan ons kantlyn toe geskop het. Franco van der Merwe het 'n groot verskil in die lynstaande teweeg gebring. En die voorspelers van die Leeu's baie meer betrokke, dryf beter. Weet jy net my beskei mee.
Kenia. Barnes just pulls that one out to the left. The Reds still trying. The problems of the Reds haven't been from Will Genia. He's tried hard all night, turning the ball back inside. Wait until he throws one inside the flick ball to Digby Ione.
That's a better strike from Pretorius, and an important one as well for the Lions. Just eat away at that lead that the Hurricanes got in those first couple of minutes of this first half. And if we take